Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So on today's video I'm going to show you how to see the templates you've liked on CapCut. So here I'm going to go to the template tab on CapCut. For example, I like this templates right here. I'm gonna click on like, and then after that I want to see where is the the templates that I liked before. So you need to go to your profile, and then your likes list will be in here. So you can just scroll down, and if you want to use the template, you can just simply click on the template and then click on use template. Okay, so that's all for me. I hope this will be helpful. So if you got any question, feel free to drop them in a comment, and if the video is helpful, remember to click thanks, like and subscribe for more content. I'll catch you all in the following videos. Thank you.